At what age did you feel you were grown up? Here's a 17-month-old baby's mealtime who insists on the same style eating as adults because she finds herself grown up already. Today's expressions are 장마철, 쌀, 밥, and 밥풀. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. It's the rainy season in Korea these days. The rainy season is called 장마철, 장마철 in Korean. One pleasant rainy day, I'm preparing my baby's lunch. This typical Korean baby eats rice for her meal, and the rice before cooked is called 쌀. 쌀. As she doesn't enjoy side dishes, I will put the cooked rice in the soup. I'm also preparing some fruits for dessert for the fruit lover. Do you expect these baby products to come out next for the baby meal? Nah, these are very boring gifts to this unusual baby. This girl who thinks all baby products are too childish refuses to feed as well as reject all baby products. The 17-month-old believes she's grown up. Time to enjoy! When rice is steamed or cooked, it is called 밥 rather than 쌀 in Korean. So if you go to a restaurant, you might order some kinds of 밥, not 쌀, so that you can really enjoy the dish there. Also, each grain of it is called 밥풀, 밥풀. And as you can see here, contrary to her expectations, 밥풀s are gathering on the table, not into her mouth. This extraordinary baby will introduce you how to have meals in unusual ways. Look, during the meal, she sometimes remembers her mother eating sam, so she makes sam too. Oh, maybe her mom will be happy if the baby spills just a little papurs. That's not acceptable to this naughty girl. Let the papurs everywhere in this whole world. She scatters them with a spoon, then shake her hands off so that all the papurs on her hands can explore the world freely. How about a skill that uses both hands and two spoons at the same time? Oh, of course, every excellent baby is creative. Ordinary people like you use toothbrushes only to brush your teeth. But if you brush your teeth with rice, you can store them in between teeth. Smart creatures like her does this just in case of getting hungry later. When the table and she are messy with the rice grains enough, it's best time to ask her mom to hug her tight. The messier, the better. And it's very critical not to forget to have a facial expression to cause a pity from her mom. By this time, you may understand why she's still hungry after having a meal. And that's why she needs a lot of fruit. Today's expressions were 장마철, 쌀, 밥, and 밥풀. Have a joyful day, everyone. Bye!